Hey guys, good morning. How you all doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela, your Chilean affiliate from Digital Chaos. Welcome to my affiliate systems review. Well, if you're looking to jump into the affiliate world, this course is for you. AffiliSystems is a training of a number of courses from top affiliate marketers, not just one, and top ones, not like me either, you know. Anyways, guys, before I start this review, I want to tell you that I was checking some other reviews on YouTube and I found out that we all have similar bonuses for this review, but I wanted to make it different. I wanted to give more value to you. As you want to go into the affiliate marketing world, you are going to need a lot of bonuses, and not bonuses just for yourself, but also bonuses to give away in your promos, okay? So I make sure today I put my best bonuses ever for this review, okay? You're going to be able to access 48 bonuses with me today if you buy via my link, which is down below in the description and also in a fixed comment. Okay, out of these 48 bonuses, 40 are bonuses you're going to be able to give away in your promos. Okay, so with this said, if this is something you're interested in, let's jump into my bonus page to show you a little bit more about affiliate systems, the prices and upsells, and all the bonuses I have to offer for you. Alright guys, so here we are inside my bonus page. As always, you can recognize it because you have my Digital Chaos logo here, my name in my banner, and my WhatsApp bubble where you can get in touch directly with me and I will answer you immediately with any questions you may have, okay? So if we quickly scroll down, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about AffiliSystems. Like I told you, it's a number of training courses from a range of top affiliate marketers. Inside AffiliSystems, you're going to get everything you need to start seeing results, like 20 methods from top online marketers, a complete training, your own training courses, and 50 plus videos and 10 plus guides, okay? That's in a nutshell. Okay, so now the prices and upsells. The front end, AffiliSystems, costs just $12.95. And you're going to access the powerful AffiliSystems course and all training modules. Then we have an OTO one-time offer number one, which is AffiliSystems Pro, only $27, and here you get access to even more courses from top marketers. Then we have the OTO number two, which is called the AffiliSystems Resellers for $67. And here you're going to be able to sell AffiliSystems like it would be your own product and get 100% commission across the funnel, except from OTO 4, which is this one here, where you will get 50% for that, okay? OTO number 3 is AffiliSystems 12-week coaching, costs $197. And here you're going to get a 12-week program walking you from newbie to seasoned affiliate marketer. And last but not least, you have the OTO number 4, which is the custom product creation, cost $997. In case you want to launch a product, let them be your EAB Trinity. With Ryan Mack software and technical knowledge tied into the skills as a top affiliate marketer, and James Kennedy artistic flair for graphic design and animation alongside his presenting skills, make them ideal launch partners. So if you have any idea or training course you want to bring to the market in a sleek and scalable format, order this today and become one of the 3 partners in a launch soon. Some of the key benefits is that you have 20 complete methods. All areas of affiliate marketing are covered. You will learn from the best in the business. You have a webinar on how to explode your affiliate business. All the resources you need to get started, plus 4 quick action bonuses. A Facebook mastermind access is perfect for the most basic newbie. Highest quality 24/7 support, 100% proven system, and you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, okay? So now I want to go through my bonuses. If you get AffiliSystems now, you will get all my exclusive bonuses below. Let me tell you that I put these special bonuses together to help you skyrocket your incomes with AffiliSystems, okay? And so my bonus number 1 is a software that is called Boomerang Buddy Pro. Well, this is a new software and course that will show you how you can profit from other people's success while they do the hard work for you, okay? Then my bonus number 2 is a video tutorial by Jono Armstrong that's going to show you how to build your buyers list quickly. Very interesting, guys, and this is a hidden video tutorial, so only people with the access can watch it, okay? Then my bonus number 3, it's a zip file that have tons of inspirational quotes. Bonus number 5, this is a great bonus again. This is another software. It's called Equinox Pro, and it worth $267, and you're going to get access for free. Finally, the bonus number 5, as always, is if you take action now, you get access to all vendor bonuses. But this doesn't stop here, guys. Like I told you before, I wanted to give you the most of today for you guys. So I put this extra bonus for you that here, well, here it says 35 plus bonuses, but there are actually 40 bonuses that you will be able to give away and to use in your promos. So if you're really serious about getting AffiliSystems, I recommend you to get it via my link so you can have this access to these 40 bonuses. Just one thing you have to consider, guys, all these bonuses up to here are instant bonus delivery. This means that you'll find them next to your purchase files on Warrior Plus, except this one, okay? Because this one I put it at the very last moment after I have set up all my bonuses. So here, to get this bonus, pay attention, you will have to write me an email to info@digitalchaos.s that you see right now on the screen with a copy of your receipt, and I will send you access by email. The access is going to look a little bit like this. It's access to the bonus vault where you're going to be able to make your own account. I'm going to log in here now and show you how it's going to look like. First of all, you're going to have here an intro that's going to show you how you can give away these bonuses, and then the list of all the bonuses you have. You see, from 1 to 40 bonuses. Some of them are software, some of them are PDF, some of them are files, zip files, some of them are videos, etc. You have a big variety here of bonuses to give away. All right, guys, so I can see the sun now is hitting me differently. I have a little bit of shadow, so I maybe move a little bit. But you see, I have great bonuses today for you. You don't want to miss them, so click down below on the link in my description if you want to get access to all my bonuses. Now I'm going to quickly show you how the dashboard looks like. All right, guys, so here we are inside Affiliate System Dashboard. And here we have 3 different sections. The first one is a welcome. The second one is the main training, which is the important one. And then we have the bonuses. For the bonuses included with the vendor, you just click here and you will be able to download them, okay? For the main training, we click here and I'm going to show you how it looks like. All right, guys, so here you're going to find a subsection with all the top affiliate marketers, starting by Jono Armstrong, the #1, Dawood Aylam, and many others, as you can see, James Kennedy, Cynthia Benitez, John McLean, etc. So when you click on any of these buttons, you will be redirected to their own training, okay? So with AffiliSystem, you will have access to the training of all these guys here, okay? And that's basically it. Here you can go back to the other sections, your account, logout, and the home. At the home, you can see the products you have purchased and access them, okay? All right, guys, as you can see, that's AffiliSystems all about. It's a very complete affiliate marketers course. And don't forget that if you want to get all my bonuses, you have to click on the link that is down in my description or also in my fixed comment. Thank you for staying all the way to the end with me, guys. If you like my review and you like my bonuses, please click on here on the subscribe button, okay? So you don't miss any of my future videos with great bonuses and great content on it, okay? I wish you all have a great day. Take it easy, stay cool, and be safe. See you in the next one.